Tired of freezing every time you step into your garage? In today's video, we're breaking down the best garage space heaters that deliver serious heat, save energy, and keep you comfortable all winter long. Check the links in the description for the best prices and full details. Let's jump in. Designed for fast, quiet, and efficient personal heating, this compact tower heater delivers reliable warmth without taking up much floor space. The Dreo space heater uses a powerful 1500-watt PTC ceramic heating system that warms rooms in seconds and effectively covers up to 270 square feet. Its adjustable thermostat ranges from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing precise temperature control through the digital display or included remote. Build quality is a strong highlight, featuring V0 flame retardant materials, ETL certified safety, tip-over protection, overheat protection, and automatic shutoff for peace of mind. The 70-degree wide-angle oscillation distributes heat evenly, while the advanced airflow design keeps noise levels as low as 34 decibels, ideal for bedrooms, offices, and nighttime use. Energy efficiency is another standout thanks to Eco Mode, which automatically switches between 1000 watt and 1500 watt to maintain temperature while reducing power consumption. Customers consistently praise its fast heating, compact design, quiet operation, and convenient remote control. While a few users report occasional automatic shutoffs, most consider it a dependable, cost-saving heater for daily indoor comfort. Built for simple operation and dependable performance, this heater offers steady warmth for small to medium-sized rooms. The Lasko 1500-watt tower space heater features a ceramic heating element that delivers fast, even heat with 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat. Widespread oscillation helps circulate warm air throughout the room for consistent comfort. The slim, space-saving tower design fits easily into bedrooms, living rooms, or home offices, while the integrated carry handle improves portability. Safety is a core strength, featuring overheat protection, a cool touch exterior, and ETL certification backed by Lasko's long-standing reputation. Electronic controls and the included remote allow easy adjustments to temperature, timer, and oscillation from across the room. Operating quietly, it's well suited for sleeping or working without distraction. Customer feedback highlights its reliability, quick heating, and good value for the price. Users appreciate the remote control and consistent warmth, though some note the thermostat adjustments move in larger increments. Overall, it's viewed as a solid, no-frills heating solution with trusted build quality. Engineered for larger spaces, this heater combines radiant and forced air heating to deliver powerful, even warmth. The Dreo infrared heater portable space heater uses a dual heating system, infrared quartz tubes paired with a PTC element to generate up to 1500 watts and heat areas up to 576 square feet. An electronic thermostat allows temperature settings from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit for consistent comfort. The cabinet-style design is sturdy and well-built, featuring caster wheels for easy movement and a durable exterior that stays cool to the touch. Safety features include tip-over protection, overheat protection, and a 12-hour automatic shutoff timer. Despite its output, it operates quietly at around 39 decibels, making it suitable for living rooms, offices, and bedrooms. Users consistently praise its fast heating performance, energy efficiency, and solid construction. Many report noticeable savings on heating bills and appreciate the included remote control and lifetime filter. With strong heating power, quiet operation, and premium build quality, customers view it as a worthwhile long-term investment for larger indoor spaces. Designed to provide instant radiant warmth, this heater mimics the feel of natural sunlight for both indoor and outdoor use. The Nfccra outdoor electric patio heater features a 1500-watt carbon infrared heating system that delivers heat in seconds without noise, fumes, or drying the air. Its tall tower design distributes warmth evenly from head to toe. Built with an aluminum alloy frame and IPX5 weatherproof rating, it withstands rain and humidity, making it ideal for patios, balconies, garages, and workshops. Safety is prioritized with UL certification, tip-over protection, overheat protection, and a flame-retardant power cord. 3 heat settings, 600 watt, 900 watt, and 1500 watt, allow flexible energy use depending on conditions. Customers appreciate the heat heater's silent operation, fast heat output, and solid construction. Many note it performs exceptionally well in outdoor settings and is more economical than propane alternatives. Easy portability and a generous 3-year warranty further enhance its appeal as a dependable all-season heating solution. Designed to save space while delivering intelligent heating, this wall-mounted unit offers modern convenience and powerful performance. The Dreo Smart Wall Heater features a PTC ceramic heating system with precise temperature control from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit in 1-degree increments. Smart connectivity sets it apart, allowing control via the Dreo app, Alexa, or Google Home. Users can schedule heating times, adjust settings remotely, and monitor energy use. The unit operates quietly and automatically dims its LED display at night for uninterrupted sleep. Build quality is solid, with a reusable filter, detachable design, and included mounting hardware for easy installation. Customer feedback highlights its fast heating, near-silent operation, and smart features that help reduce electricity costs. While a small number of users report long-term durability issues, most praise its efficiency, convenience, and sleek design. It's widely considered a smart, space-saving heating upgrade for modern homes. Built for serious heating demands, this high-powered unit is designed to warm large garages and workshops efficiently. The InoKraft 7500-watt electric garage heater operates on a 240-volt system and delivers intense forced-air heat, capable of covering up to 750 square feet. Adjustable high and low settings, along with an eco mode, help balance comfort and energy efficiency. The rugged metal housing is built for durability, while adjustable louvers and multiple mounting angles allow targeted heat distribution. A digital thermostat offers precise temperature control from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, and safety features include overheat protection and automatic shutoff. Installation flexibility allows wall or ceiling mounting to save floor space. Customers frequently praise its strong heating performance, solid construction, and effectiveness in maintaining consistent temperatures in cold garages. Some users note moderate fan noise, while others find it surprisingly quiet for its power level. Overall, it's regarded as a reliable, professional-grade heating solution for large indoor workspaces. Compact yet powerful, this heater delivers targeted, radiant warmth without noise or airflow. The Nfccra electric patio heater uses advanced carbon fiber infrared technology to heat people and objects directly, creating fast, sun-like warmth indoors or outdoors. It's energy efficient, producing no fumes, odors, or carbon dioxide while keeping the air comfortable. The aluminum alloy frame and IPX5 weatherproof rating ensure durability in patios, balconies, garages, and living spaces. A weighted base improves stability, while built-in tip-over and overheat protection enhance safety. Its lightweight tower design and ergonomic handle make it easy to move wherever warmth is needed. Customers consistently praise its quick heat output, sturdy build, and near-silent operation. Many appreciate its versatility for both indoor and outdoor use, along with simple assembly and clear instructions. Backed by a 3-year warranty, users consider it a dependable and efficient alternative to traditional fuel-based heaters. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you choose the best garage space heater, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews, and check the links in the description below.